Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to generate images with ChatGPT. Right, so as you might know, you currently cannot use ChatGPT itself to generate images within ChatGPT. However, you can use the power of ChatGPT to give you image generation prompts that you can use to create cool images like this one. And I'm gonna show you how to use Microsoft Bing Image Creator for absolutely free to generate the images that are using the prompts that ChatGPT has come up with. So first all you have to do is open up ChatGPT. So go to chat.openai.com, then add your image prompts here. Then give me some example for good image generation prompts. Make them descriptive. So let's select the second one. Then go to bing.com/create. I will also add the link in the description below. And you're going to be able to generate AI images with the Bing Image Creator for absolutely free. As you might know, Midjourney is currently paid, so you cannot use it to generate free images, but with the Microsoft Bing Image Creator you can. And then all you have to do is paste the image prompts that ChatGPT has come up with. So in this example, create a portrait of a woman in a red dress sitting in front of a fireplace with a glass of wine in her hand and a book on her lap. Then click on create, wait a couple of seconds, and the AI will come up with some good images. So as you can see, these are the images that the Bing Image Creator has come up with. If you like some of them, you can click on them, you can download them, you can share them, or you can save it to your Microsoft account as well. Let's see another example that ChatGPT has come up with. Generate an image of a group of people enjoying a picnic. And these are the images that the AI has come up with. You can always fine-tune your prompts you have given to ChatGPT to come up with better images. But all in all, this is how to use ChatGPT to generate images with the power of AI and with the help of Microsoft Bing Image Creator.